Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Nissan Rogue. First, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. Next, make sure your Nissan Rogue's ignition is on, then navigate to the settings menu on your vehicle's display screen. This initial step prepares both your phone and your car for a seamless connection process, ensuring everything is ready for pairing. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option. From there, you will choose Add New Device or Connect Device to begin the pairing process. Your Nissan Rogue will then start searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. This step is crucial for your vehicle to detect your phone, allowing you to proceed with the connection. Now, on your phone, look for your Nissan Rogue in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select it. A pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm these codes match. You might also be prompted to allow access to your contacts and messages, which enables full functionality. This secures your connection. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy several convenient features. Make hands-free calls using the steering wheel controls, stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through the car's audio system, and safely access navigation apps. This integration enhances your driving experience, keeping you connected and entertained while maintaining focus on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.